Hello tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com. At this project we're on right now, which includes these triple trunk ribbon palms, one there, we got two more around back. We have built beds all the way along the edge of this driveway and on either side of the entryway into the house with Sylvester palms and beds that are nothing but white Alabama marble and big boulders. But what we started this project with was a double row of royal palms from the entrance off the road, over 300 feet, all the way back to right here. And now we have killed the grass on both sides, a 12-foot strip that will accommodate Alabama marble. This beautiful white marble with all kinds of strains of pink, blue, and black running through the marble. This is a signature project of the tree planters. We're very proud of it. Our customer is thrilled. They have something that no one else has. And we can do this for you. This is all we do. Big trees, all day, every day. We believe we're the best there is. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Have a good one.